Today we are going to perform the experiment 1, that is from the AC circuit. Now what is the aim of the experiment 1? The experiment 1 aim is use CRO to measure the peak value, RMS value, period and the frequency of alternating quantity. As we already learned in the topic or a unit number 1 of the AC circuit, that is the fundamental of AC circuit, you already know about the basic terms related to the AC circuit. Now what is the AC? AC means the alternating cycle. Now what is the alternating cycle? Today we are going to measure all the alternating quantities, peak values, RMS value, period and frequency for the alternating quantity by the CRO. Now CRO, that is the one equipment which full form is the cathode ray oscilloscope, and CRO, that is the electronic device which used to measure the various electronic quantities, means the various alternating quantities parameter like the peak value, RMS value, period and the frequency. Now before start to perform the practical, you should have clear the basics of the alternating quantities. Okay, what is the alternating quantities, what is the alternating cycle, what is the peak value, RMS value, period and the frequency. So what is the alternating cycle? Alternating cycle means the magnitude and the direction. See here, alternating waveform is here drawn. That is the sine wave. What is the alternating cycle? Alternating cycle means, suppose if I say voltage, that is the one of the alternating quantities. You can take the current or a power. So see, waveform is like the sine wave, means the magnitude as well as the direction is changes with respect to time. Means periodically direction is also changes and also the magnitude is changes. So that is known as the alternating cycle. Now what is the peak value? Peak value means the maximum value of the quantity, that is called a peak value. See here, it is the peak value which is denoted by Vm, maximum value, and which is also known as the amplitude. Now what is the RMS value? RMS value, that is the root mean square value. Now as we know that in the alternating cycle, your value or a magnitude of quantities continuously changes with respect to time. So as like the DC, we can't represent the value of a voltage, means the alternating quantity. So we are taking the RMS value to represent the alternating voltage. So RMS value, that is the root mean square value, and the total basics of RMS value you are going to study into the theory session. Now RMS value is given by RMS value, if I say the RMS value of voltage, so that is equal to maximum value divided by root 2. So you will get 0.707 Vm. That is the equation of RMS value. Now what is the period? The period means, suppose if I say okay, one cycle is here, starts from 0 and complete at a 2 pi radian. So here time t, which is represented by capital T. Now period means what? Time taken to complete the one cycle. Time taken to complete the one cycle, that is represented by a time period. And t is given by 1 upon f, and f is equal to frequency. Now what is the frequency? The frequency is equal to number of cycle completed in a 1 second. 1 second में जितनी भी cycles complete होती है उसको हम frequency बोलते हैं, and in India frequency is equal to 50 Hz. That is the frequency of the alternating quantity. So these are the basic terms related to the alternating quantities. Now today we are going to learn or perform the experiment number 1, that is the CRO. CRO, that is the one device or a one electronic device which measures the various quantity like the peak value, RMS value, period and the frequency. CRO, that is the cathode ray oscilloscope. Now see here, what is the circuit diagram of the experiment number 1? So here a function generator is there. Function generator is used to generate the various types of waveforms of various frequency. It is connected to the AC supply. AC supply having the voltage of 230 volt and frequency of 50 hertz. Now function generator output is connected to the input of the CRO, and by the use of the CRO you can measure the various terms of the alternating quantity. Now we are going to connect the circuit diagram and perform the experiment. It's as shown in the circuit diagram. See here, it is the function generator, and the function generator which generate the various types of waveform of the various frequency, and function generator is connected to the AC supply. Now output of the function generator is given to the CRO. It is the CRO, and this is the screen of the CRO in which you can see the waveform and measure the various terms. Now see, CRO having the two channel 1 and channel 2. Here I am using the channel 1, so probe is connected to the channel 1, and two probe are given for the time setting and for the your voltage setting. See here, time per division. Here I have already set the 2 volt and 2 millisecond, means time per division means 2 millisecond per division. See here in the screen there are like a graph, means numbers of divisions are there, and in x-axis and y-axis is there. Same way here a time per division and here a volt per division. Now by setting the time per division and volt per division you can set the waveform. Now see here, in a function generator I have already set the sine wave. You can change the sign by functioning the click the function key. You can change the triangle wave, you can change the square wave, and you can change the DC. So right now the setting is on the sine wave and having a frequency of 302 hertz. Now as I said that frequency, that is the number of cycle completed in a 1 second. Now from this CRO, now we are going to calculate by the waveform, okay, what is the frequency, time period, peak value of the CRO. Now see here, one cycle as I said that one cycle means complete set of positive cycle and the negative cycle. It is one complete alternation is called a cycle. So see here, one cycle is started. Now as we seen that through the function generator I have already given the waveform, that is the AC in the nature. So sine wave is there. Now what is the one cycle? One cycle, that is the one complete set of positive half cycle and negative half cycle. So one complete alternation is called a cycle. Now through the CRO, now we are going to calculate the value of the peak, then the amplitude as well as the RMS value, frequency and time period. Now what is the peak value? Peak value means the maximum value of the alternating quantity which occur twice into one cycle, during the positive half cycle and during the negative half cycle. Now how to calculate the peak value through the CRO? So see here, first of all you have to calculate the numbers of divisions. See here, one complete division is there, and also above there is a 0.3, so 1.3 divisions are there. Now see, y-axis setting is that, okay, what is the y-axis? The y-axis means here a probe is set on the 5 volt per division and here a 1.3. So calculation is like that, okay, numbers of maximum voltage or a peak voltage, that is equal to, first of all you have to calculate the number of divisions and then you have to set the volt per division. So what is the, how many numbers of divisions are there? As we seen in the waveform that one complete divisions and above that there is a 0.3, so 1.3 divisions are there. Same way volt per division, setting of volt per division is that, okay, 5 volt per division means one division is equal to 5 volt, so 5 volt per division. So what is the peak value? Peak value is equal to number of divisions into volt per divisions. So this way you can calculate the peak value through the waveform. So number of division is 1.3 into volt per division, that is the 5. So you will get the peak value, means the maximum value in the voltage unit, that is the volts. So now what is the RMS value? So once you find the value of a Vm, you can find out the value of a RMS. RMS value, that is equal to maximum value divided by root 2. So by substituting the value of this, you will get the RMS value and unit, that is also in a volt. Then after, what is the time period? So as I said that time period is equal to time taken to complete the one cycle. See here, a one cycle is started from 0 and completed here. So one complete division is there, and about that 0.4 is there. So same here, time period is equal to number of divisions to complete one cycle into your time per division. See here, time per division is set on the 2 millisecond, means one division is equal to 2 millisecond. So here 1 millisecond is equal to 2 millisecond is equal to 1 division, and here a number of division completed, that is the 1, and about that 4. So time period is equal to number of division to complete one cycle, that is the 1.4, into time per division, that is the 2 millisecond. So this way you can find out the time period, that is in the millisecond. Now from the time period you will get easily frequency, that is the 1 upon t. So by substituting the value of a time period which you get in the time period, so you will get the frequency into the hertz. So this way you can find out the various terms by using the CRO. So that is the practical of the CRO. CRO means a CRO means the cathode ray oscilloscope, which we are using to measure the various quantity, alternating quantity. Thank you.